Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to delete Threads account without deleting Instagram. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to delete Threads account without deleting your Instagram, then all you gotta do is open your Threads. Once you open your Threads account, you will end up in this kind of interface. Now all you gotta do is simply tap on the two lines on the top left hand side of the corner. After you simply do this, you can simply go and tap open your account. So once you're in your account, you can simply go and tap on the two lines on the top right hand side of the corner again, scroll down and simply tap on delete or deactivate your account. After you have done this, you need to type in your Instagram password or confirmation, and this way you can simply delete your Threads account without deleting your Instagram. If you want only a temporary break, you can choose deactivate your profile instead of deletion. And deletion is permanent after 30 days grace period. As a recent updates, deleting a Thread account will no longer delete your Instagram account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.